Mr. Messenger here to help you organize your writing into a clear paragraph. Organization is tough. Let's be honest, most of your rooms probably look a little bit like that, right? You're probably tired of hearing, "Do you clean your room? Do you organize your backpack? You put away the laundry?" That's why I'm going to make this video about organizing your writing as simple as possible. You're welcome. Now, before we get started, I want you to think about houses. Houses? Yes, houses. Each house has different colors. Some are 1-story, some are 2-story, some have a garage, some have large windows, some have small windows. Each house is very unique. But no matter how different each house is, every house has a structure, a basic frame on which the house is built. Without it, it would not stand. And like houses, each paragraph is very unique. We all have different styles and are writing about different topics. But no matter what the differences are, we should all follow a simple structure. And if you don't, your paragraph will look something like my house up there. It's actually for sale. If you want to buy it, just let me know. Or not. The goal of this video is to help you understand the basic structure of a paragraph to help you organize your writing so it's clear and easy to read. You ready? First, every paragraph starts off with a topic sentence or claim. This is where you tell the reader what will be addressed or proven in your paragraph. It's kind of like the top bun of a burger. Each topic sentence will support your thesis, and your thesis will answer your question. Second, we have supporting details. And in the hamburger, this is like the good stuff, the meat, the sauces, the veggies. This could be evidence from an article or facts from research. It could be where you then analyze and explain how the evidence proves your main idea. This could be examples or analogies that you use to help the reader visualize your main points. It could also be where you define key words. Each supporting detail backs up and defends your topic sentence, which supports your thesis, and then that answers your question. You see the pattern here? Lastly, you're going to wrap up your paragraph with a nice pretty bow with a concluding sentence. It's like the bottom of the burger. Although just because it's a bottom doesn't mean it's not special. In the concluding sentence is where you summarize the main idea or theme from your paragraph and also connect it to the next paragraph you're going to write in your essay. I want to point out two things. First off, this is just a basic structure. In future videos, I'll actually break down how to write a topic sentence, how to find evidence, how to analyze that evidence, how to give examples and analogies, and how to write concluding sentences. So stay tuned for those. Second, you notice that in each section, I use a different color. I use red for topic sentences, green for supporting details, and orange for concluding sentences. I have done this intentionally and encourage you to do the exact same thing. There's nothing special about these colors, but they help me visualize my writing and to see the organization of my paragraph. Of course, don't turn it in like this because then I'll be like, yeah, I don't know this guy, but use it. Let's take a look at this example. First off, using my colors, you can clearly see the organization of my paragraph. First, I have my topic sentence. This is where I tell that Batman's great because he used the kryptonite spear to defeat Superman. And you can clearly see that sets the direction of my entire paragraph. You see that in red. Second, most of my paragraph is actually filled with supporting details. Again, these are details that support and prove my topic sentence. I use a quote from an article to prove my point. And then I analyze that evidence and then show the reader how it proves and backs up my topic sentence. 3, I wrap up the paragraph by telling the reader that true greatness is found in one's determination for good rather than in superpowers. You can see that my paragraph is clear and simple to read because I follow the basic structure. So make it easy on yourself and do the same thing. Next, revise and edit your organization by asking yourself these questions. Do you start your paragraph off with a clear topic sentence or claim? Are there ways you need to further build and explain your argument? Are there any words you need to define and make clear for the reader? Are you able to use evidence to back up your idea? And then do you explain how that evidence proves your main idea? Every time you use evidence in your paragraph, you need and you must analyze and explain in your own words how that evidence proves your main point. You can't just assume it. Do you then wrap up your paragraph with a concluding sentence? Because again, remember the goal is to make your paragraph clear and easy to read. In the video description, I include slides that you can use to teach your child or student. Also, if you're a student, you can use this to help guide you through the process. I also include a graphic organizer you can use to organize your essay. Before you leave, hit subscribe to support what I do, and also because I'm going to walk you through the entire writing process from start to finish. Comment if you have any questions, or if there's any videos or any specific writing advice you need, make sure to comment down below and I'll make a future video. Make sure to like the video. Ciao.